how to change your favourite team in FC25. So what we want to do here is switch our main team in EA Sports FC25. It's very easy to do. From the main page here, come up to the top left here and select a little cog. Then you want to come down and select Profile. Then within Profile you want Profile Manager. Then you want to select the profile here. Then you want to come down and select your favourite team. Mine's currently set to Man United. Then you can change the country here to find the team you want. So let's say we want to make Real Madrid, for instance, our favourite team. Let's go to Spain. You can go for different leagues, but let's go to the La Liga and let's find Real Madrid. Select them. Then you need to come out, and there will be your favourite team changed. So now if we go to a basic kickoff, it will no longer be Man United because they are no longer our favourite team. It will be set as Real Madrid, like that. And Real Madrid will be your favourite team in the practice area and places like that. So that's how to change your favourite team in FC25.